Yep, there he is, jumping out of the water. Boom! There we go. Today is a crappy day to shoot a video, but tomorrow, my friend Logan and I, we are going to go fishing on the Tennessee River. It's going to be a cold day tomorrow, but we are going to try to catch whatever we can. And I've heard from a lot of more experienced fishermen that the best lures to use, or bait, whatever you want to call it, to catch bass in cold waters are jerk baits. So I'm going to head over to Cabela's, going to get some more jerk baits, and I also got to get a new reel because mine somehow broke. I have no idea. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's go. Cabela, Cabela, Cabela. Here we are. I just got back from Cabela's and I got a Mitchell 300. I don't know why it turns upside down when I show it to you. That is so weird. What is going on? People are staring at me while I'm doing this, so it's kind of awkward. Gonna wait for them to leave. Okay, so I got a couple jerk baits. Here's one of them. It's got a bluish orange color to it. I got another one. This one is kind of green. Hopefully these work out. All right, we just got back home, so let's take a look. We got the Mitchell 300. Let's see how this baby looks. Oh, come on out here. Oh, look at that. All right, guys, we got the old Mitchell 300 on my rod, so we are ready to fish tomorrow. Which to you guys, it's actually going to be right. We are on our way. First cast right here. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna jerk it, reel it in, pause a couple seconds, jerk, reel in, pause, jerk, reel in. Way hard. One thing I'm really getting tired of with this jerkbait is it keeps getting tangled up on itself. It's got those 3 hooks. I don't know if it's because I'm not casting it right or... Alright guys, so we haven't caught anything on the jerkbait yet, so we're going to try to switch it up. I think I might put on try a crankbait, and we're going to see if that does it. It's got to be a fish right there. That was a perfect cast. Oh, how did that hit? First one on the board. There you go, Emerson. It got a little, that's a little dinky one. Got one.
He's probably 2 pounds.
Come on, get him.
There's
we
a
got
net underneath behind you.
Oh, we got him. There we go. That's the first good one. You think that's about 2 pounds?
Yeah, maybe 1.5 pounds, maybe a pound.
That's a good one. We got one. That's number 3. Where's the net? Oh, that's a little one. That's a little guy.
Probably in a pound.
Right, guys, so we have caught 3 fish on the crankbait, which is really weird because I've heard in this colder weather you're supposed to use jerk baits. We've got nothing on that, so we're about to go all in on the crankbaits, and let's get some more. Son of a gun.
You see that? Oh, that was you. I'm sorry. I thought that was a fish.
And woo, there we go. And I thought I had a bite on that one. Grab Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, I get. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, he's a little guy. Never mind. He hit that hard. There we go. That's number 4. He's not as big as nearly as what I thought. He hit that hard, man. He hit that hard. He's a tiny little guy. Man, I thought he was bigger than that. There he goes. Thank God. I was gonna just jump in the lake, and you guys would never see me if we came back, and I didn't have a fish. If I was the only one who didn't catch one. I don't know if I'm snagging something right there or a fish is biting. Got another one. Here we go. Yeah, these are all largemouth bass.
Freaking waves, man.
That's number 5. So there we go.
Might be a pound.
And there's a snake. There we go. How many is that? 6 now we have? Oh no, not a bad day. Still trying to land that whopper, but got 6 of them. We got one. It's a little tiny guy. Rocking the small ones. How about that? Come on. And that is in there. Fishing on the Tennessee River. Don't beat this. Oh, I almost biffed it. I almost biffed. I almost fell in. I was like, uh-oh. Yeah, I can swim. Got one on. Yep, there he is, jumping out of the water. Boom! There we go. Oh, God. Yeah, there we go. That's a decent sized one. It's not bad.
Yeah, that's the first good one.
Is that number 8? Oh, he's bleeding.
Catch him in the gill.
That's all you gotta say is War Eagle. You'll catch a 10-pounder. That's the magic words. He said nope. What do y'all say in Alabama?
War Eagle.
War Eagle. Roll Tide. There's gotta be fish underneath this little shindig. Can't be that big either. Otherwise I can't reel it in. Boom! There we go. That's the biggest one I got today. And got it. Boom! Number 3. Let's go. That's it for us, guys. We are done. I think we ended up catching 10 for the day. Pretty good haul. All of them on crankbaits. It was actually turned out a little hotter than normal.
2 buzzbaits.
2 on the buzzbait, but the rest on crankbaits. I just pulled into my house. I'm a firm believer that there is no better way to end a day of fishing than getting some Chick-fil-A. Thank you, Jesus, for waffle fries. Oh, oh, so good. So good. I'm pretty sure there's somewhere in scripture that says you have to eat Chick-fil-A after you fish, but you can't forget the Chick-fil-A sauce either. You cannot forget that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. We had a great day, caught 10 bass. If you guys like what you saw, like, subscribe. Keep your eyes open for next time. We'll see you.